Guys, what is going on? Today we got a little package from Amazon, and this is going to be a quick little install for the F350. Matthew, are we going to work on the F350?
Yes.
All right. So let me show you guys what it is. It's a quick little upgrade for the top, and Matthew's going to open up and we see what we have here. All right, Matthew, let's open it up. All right, this one here, and this one. You got it?
Yes. You got it?
I got it. Get here.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, we got it. Here we go. Thank you. Here we go. We got some LED lights right here. So what we got here in a little box right there. Open it. Yes, right here. Open on this side. And here. On this side. Okay, right there. Take one. Here we go. Some clearance covers, and I decided to get the smoked one right there. I don't want to get the clear ones because clear, they fade sometimes and it looks maybe a little bit too ricey in my opinion. And so there we go right there. Let's put it in the box right here. And then the lights I got were these LED lights. And these are LED lights. These are the orange ones, which I'm gonna use with the smoked clearance lights. So I had to buy 6 of these. These are a little bit more expensive because the quality supposedly is a lot better than the cheaper ones. And these I can use for like the license plate, maybe some other areas that take the 194. So right now I'm going to install all the smoke lenses, and the orange LED lights, and then we'll see how that looks. And right now, since it's daylight, we're going to compare these ones with the stock ones. All right, so let's get this little install done, and then I'm going to go to work, and then I'll be back around 3 in the morning and see how it looks like at night. Alrighty, let's go. Matthew helped me install this side right here, and now we're gonna demonstrate during the day. No, wait, Matthew, don't turn it on yet. Hold on, wait. So I'm gonna ask him to turn it on, and then he's gonna turn the lights on and then turn it off, and you guys can see, at least during the day for now, you guys can see the difference. All right, Matthew, turn it on. There you go, we got on. Okay, now turn it off. One more, there you go. So Matthew, one more time, on. All right, you guys can see left side stock, right side not stock. Okay, turn it off. All right, there you go. You guys can see the difference, at least during the day. It looks pretty good. I'll be curious to see what it looks like at night. But I'm gonna go ahead and install the other two on the other side, and we're gonna do a quick little demonstration with that. All right, Matthew, turn it off. All right, so let's install the second part and see how it looks. Finished installing all 5 on top, and now Matthew's gonna demonstrate by turning them all on and off. All right, Matthew, turn it on. There you go. Looks very nice. Okay, turn it off. Thank you. Okay, on. One more. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, I know my truck is dirty, okay? I'm gonna detail it soon. I'm just gonna take care of some paperwork. All right, one more. Off. No, turn it off. Off. No, you gotta turn it off. What do you mean it's not working? It's working. No. Matthew, other way. There you go. Off. All right, now turn it on. There you go. And I'm assuming during the night it's gonna be even more noticeable. And of course, Matthew's turning on and off the lights because it's fun, right, Matthew? Is it fun? Yes. And a quick update on the Silverado. I got the title today from DMV, and I'm happy to say that it's 100% done. All the paperwork is done. The car is in my name 100%. I'm the owner. I don't have to do anything else with CHP and DMV. And now I can enjoy doing more details to the truck. And one question for you guys, maybe you guys will know the answer to this. I seen there was a Silverado posted that I posted on my YouTube community picture, and the Silverado had fender flares, but it had the black bolts as well. So I'm wondering if some of you guys might know where I can get this kind of bolt, so it's also short, because it's not actually mounting to the fender, but in black. Because I was thinking about getting these, maybe powder coated, but I think that would cost a little too much for this little upgrade. So I'm wondering if I can find some cheap ones, black ones, somewhere on eBay or on Amazon, but I wasn't able to find any at the moment. So let me know if you guys know where I can find these in black, so I can actually get these fender flares finished, spray them, and install them on the truck 100%. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little mod for the F350. Matthew keeps pressing on and off. And I'm still trying to finish up the shed build as well. It's working. So guys, we'll see you on the next mod, which will probably be a Silverado. I wanted to do a little install on the Silverado, and it's gonna be a cheap upgrade, but it's gonna make the truck sound a lot better. So it's something that I wanted to try, experiment with, and I think you guys will like it. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!